Hey, how's it going? So today we've come to Chinatown, but our plan is to walk through to Song Wat Road, find a coffee shop there and do some exploring from there. So it's a Sunday just after midday. It seems fairly quiet actually, so let's just see what it's like. What's the date? Sunday the 8th of March. So if you're planning to visit in 2027 in March, this might give you an indication of what it's like. Can we sneak down here? Hopefully we won't get smoked out. Right, so we've got to get across here. Wait for someone else to go and slow the traffic down for us. Well, it's definitely a lot quieter than when we were here on the Chinese New Year's Eve. If you check our videos, it was a lot busier. We're just coming up on Song Wat Road, so let's have a look and see who's taking photos of what. Oh, you don't have to go far to see it. In the rural alleyway, we'll head down and have a look. Get out of the way of the motorbike. Oh, this looks pretty new, doesn't it? Take away only. So take away only. They look pretty new. It's good business. Every time we come here there's something new, and it was very cool back there.
做咩？
That must be Instagram famous at the moment because there's a line. That's crazy. Let's have a look at this coffee shop. Let's go and have a look. Boy, these steps are steep. Oh wow. Oh, sorry, card. Wow. Man, it's really nice up there. Hardly anyone's here. It's fairly new, I think. Maybe it's not Instagram famous just yet. This is probably one of the most popular lanes. Here, if you come later in the afternoon, it'll be packed. But it isn't so bad at the moment. You know, you can normally get right through the end there, you can't today. Doing some renovations. Oh, that is one good photo. Last time we were here, this was all mud. So they're doing a nice job tidying the place up. So that coffee shop over on the corner there, the hole on the wall, is new. Every time we come here there's something new, so if you've been here before and you haven't been here for a while, I suggest coming back because it's definitely going to be different. They're continually improving the place. We've just spotted Bangkok's Area 51. Pointing this way. Swaddy cab. Let's go and have a look around in here. It's very sort of unique, one-offish. Oh, I've got to get some of these for my mates. Going on. Let's have a look upstairs. Oh man, it's hot up here though. How cool is that? So everything's very unique. you're looking for something one-off and unique, this is definitely the place. You won't end up clashing with someone wearing the same thing.
It's 150.
Okay, well that's definitely a shop that's worth visiting. Bit of a fun shop. So just down this little alleyway, just there, and the end of Song Wat Road is just there, so pretty easy to find. Just down the road from that place. There's definitely no shortage of Instagram spots here if you do that. Should we go and have a look? Beans coffee shop. Let's go and have a look here. I think that's that bird's vomit. Is that bird's vomit?
Yeah, it's their saliva or something.
Bird saliva or something? Not for me. Well, that's the end of our little walk around Song Wat Road on a Sunday lunchtime. It's nowhere near as busy as it has been. Probably a good time of the year to visit Bangkok. So yeah, if you enjoyed the little walk around, then thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.
Hello,
Hello.
150,
150 to get your feet chewed on. I did read somewhere that if you've got a cut in your foot, one lady I think lost all her toes after she got an infection, so if you're going to try that, make sure you haven't got any cuts on your feet. And we'll see you in the next one.